The EV6 seats are approximately 30% thinner and lighter than other seats thanks to their GigaSteel reinforced back frame. This creates more space for rear seat passengers. Auto relaxation seats are installed for the driver and front seat passenger. When you press the auto relaxation seat switch, a message will appear on the infotainment system screen to ask if there's enough space in the rear seat. After checking, pressing the button again will activate the auto relaxation seat feature. It disperses the pressure and supports your body in a gravity-free position. The seat adjustment switch allows for fine adjustment of the seat position. The folding function of rear seats operates when the lever on the rear seat or trunk is pulled. It allows you to fold the seat back and maximize the space available for luggage in the back of the vehicle.
Kia, movement that inspires.